Hello everybody, welcome back to Trading with Zeph. Today is November the 13th. Just posted my 20 trade exercise trade results. Didn't do the best, didn't do the worst, not break even, not red, green, but didn't do as good as last time, so that video is posted, go check that out. Today just going to do a review on my 4 trades I've taken so far and some of the issues that I'm dealing with. I'm basically just going to keep trading, do as good as I can until 100 trades, look at that real results, and make a plan after that, figure out what the biggest issues are, and I feel like just getting more experience with all of that. So, let's jump into this. Try not to make a super long video today. Change the cursor here. I'm just going to kind of speed through this. I'll say I shouldn't have taken this trade, this trade, this trade, and the only trade I really should have taken is that one, and that one's a maybe. So 4 trades on the day, good risk management, I would say, and basically knowing when I'm wrong, but overall not the best trades. Really not the best trades, really not trading what I thought, really not trading good setups. So my fault. My Mondays are the worst. I look back on my data. Mondays are just the absolute worst for me, so I know that now. Anyways, I saw this uptrend, 1, 2, 3. I thought it was a first entry short, second entry short. Tried to enter as the bearish engulfing candle happened. Sure enough, got stopped out. Should have maybe entered 1 tick below to confirm it, or should have passed on this trade because this is an uptrend. But it was at the midline, a little far away from the EMA. I saw first entry short, second entry short. Thought I'd give it a shot. I was wrong. Second trade, huge uptrend. Goes higher, flashes down. I drop a limit order in. I thought we would get at least back down to the midline and or EMA, which we did. Not 2 points, so I realized that. Get out for 6 ticks. Take my small win there. Just knew 2 points wasn't happening. Sure enough, huge. Look how big this. Not even a wick, just bullish buying. This is all buying here. Once I saw this, I realized this is just buying. I thought this was short. I thought this was going to be a trading range on the day, and midline would at least drop it back down. No, this is just huge bullish action. So hard for me to adjust sometimes on what the market's doing, but working on that. Third one, I saw 1, 2, and 3. I prematurely entered a little lower than I like to. Really should have entered at this top here, limit order, and then my stop would have been somewhere up here, which would have been good, and at least 2 points back. That would have been a better trade. I can't actually enter 1 tick below this because there's too much support here, not a room for 2 points. So either pass, limit order. That's the only 2 options. Take a break, do some stuff, come back. I saw this second entry long, and I realized this is very bullish. I saw, now this is already basically at, when it comes to the previous day's high, there's usually resistance and turnaround, so I had to be very careful here. But I saw a first entry long, pullback, inside bar, second entry long, closing on its high. Once again, drop a limit order in. I get 1 point. I only scalp for 1 point. I realize that this is super risky of a trade, and it's probably just a failed second entry short, but I take my 1 point. Again, this is really congested. This is an inside bar. Should I have taken it? Probably not. Should I have passed? Probably. But I also saw a break down of this downtrend 1, 2, and 3. New extreme. At least we'd test a fair value gap up here at least one more time before maybe making a lower high, and maybe for a second leg down. So that one's definitely something that I maybe should have taken, maybe shouldn't have taken. I don't know. And then, of course, the better trades come, which I really should be taking. Over here, you have first entry short, pullback, second entry short. What do I have? 1, 2, 3 key entry points. Away from EMA, double top, outside bar closing on low. I could have entered 1 tick below right here. Put my stop for 153. Basically at where it needs to be, and got my 2 points. That would have been a really good trade. This is probably the trade of the day right here on this one, which is first entry short, second entry short off EMA, first entry long, second entry long, failure. Looking for new extreme. That's the trade of the day. Also could have taken that one. So I realize I'm not very patient with when it comes to trying to find the best setups, and I really, really need to. Instead of just jumping the gun, I think I really need to just wait for the good setups and really be patient on it. Can't emphasize that enough. Just trade what I see, not what I think. I'm trading what I think, not what I see. And that's a problem. That's a big problem. So, yeah, I'm distracted in a little bit here and there. But overall, I'm managing risk, which is important. Survive for another day, and just trying to improve each day. Hope you guys enjoyed this. This is going to be for the November the 13th. And hope Thanksgiving is coming up, so that'll be good. And then Christmas. So, and going to end the year. Learned a lot so far. Taking this 6 months to really focus on trading. But money calls. So, starting work tomorrow. Hopefully I can manage to still get some trading in. And or not just going to review and do a data backlog and trade at night. And do it that way. Maybe it'll be less stress. I'm not sure. Then I'm going to switch to MES2 here, probably coming after, I don't know, maybe I get to 50 trades, 100 trades. I'm not sure. Focus on that. Just kind of depends on where it all goes. So that's kind of what I'm thinking lately. I definitely know now that there is an edge with this PATS price action system trading. It's taken me years to find a really good edge, something that I find in my personality that's good. I like the scalping. I like the in. I don't like holding. I know this kind of turned into a soapbox episode, but if anyone's listening, this is a good edge, and it's got to keep going, survive another day. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna wrap this up. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.